We are here at the 47th annual Lakeside Calabasas Fun Run. Day starts off with co-ed run that kicks off the race at 7:45, followed by a 2-mile women's run. Then a 2-mile men's run, a quarter youth run, and then followed by our family walk.
I came out here to run. I got first, and happy 4th of July.
Hi, I'm Julie Elginer. I am a commissioner with the Parks, Rec, and Education Commission, and I've been a resident of the city of Calabasas for 18 years. I'm here at the Fun Run, the Lakeside Fun-Run and Walk. I love this event because it truly represents the best of Calabasas. It's an opportunity to be right by the lake, which is a wonderful resource that we all have, an area that we treasure, which is access to water, and it brings out an intergenerational group of people of all ages to just be together. And really, before everyone starts their festivities, no matter where they are and where they're headed, we all come together and just celebrate living in this wonderful community. So it truly is the best of Parks and Rec, the environment, and the city of Calabasas. And I'm so thankful for our city to continue to put this forward, and also for all of you to be participating. So happy Independence Day, everyone. I really appreciate it.
The day here at the lakeside portion ends with a lovely pet show where we get to honor all the local pets in the community. We kick off our annual splash party at the Calabasas Tennis and Swim Center, where guests get to enjoy a free day by the pool with live music, carnival games.
Happy 4th of July!